Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix other person is not showing on FaceTime. So guys, if you call someone and you want to see his face and it's not showing for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply make sure that he is properly connected with internet, and also make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Basically, when someone collects your call and at that time he is disconnected with the internet, that's why maybe you cannot see him. So guys, first of all you have to close this page and make sure that other person is connected with internet during the video call. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. So you have to do some settings on your mobile phone if the problem is in your end. Okay guys, so you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. No guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data. Okay guys, then you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that your device is up to date. Basically, when you call someone and at that time if you have received any software update, the main reason is that. Okay guys, so you have to make sure that you have updated your device, then close this page. Now open the settings again and just simply you have to scroll it down and locate for the FaceTime. Now tap on that. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn off the FaceTime at least for the 30 or 40 seconds. Now turn it on again, and guys, if you're using mobile phone, turn to email address, or if you're using email address, turn to mobile phone. Okay guys, then go back from here and just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now scroll it down, then tap on general. Okay guys, you can also connect with the VPN. If you are on call with abroad, just simply you have to connect the VPN to select that location. Okay guys, and you can also reset your all setting to fix your problem. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.